In this video, I'll show you how to connect your RevenueHunt quiz to Mailchimp and send quiz taker contacts to your audience for segmentation. Before connecting, make sure your quiz collects email addresses. Open your quiz in the RevenueHunt Quiz Builder and check for an email question block. If there isn't one, click Add Question and select email address from the question types. You can also add it to an existing slide using the Add Block menu. Optionally, add a marketing consent checkbox directly below the email field. This lets quiz takers agree to receive marketing emails, which is useful for GDPR compliance. Mailchimp receives the contact's email, first name, last name, and phone number when provided. RevenueHunt quiz tags and result tags are also synced to the contact's profile in Mailchimp. Full quiz answers and product recommendations are not synced to Mailchimp directly. To learn more about how Mailchimp handles contact data fields, visit the Mailchimp Merge Fields documentation linked below this video. Because full answers don't sync, we recommend using the customer tag field on each quiz answer choice. When a quiz taker selects an answer, that choice's customer tag is sent to Mailchimp as a contact tag, which you can then use to build your own segmentation rules. For example, if a question asks about skin type, tag the oily choice with skin oily and the dry choice with skin dry. You can ask Quiz Copilot to handle the tagging for you. We also recommend tagging every answer in at least one question with a general tag like RevenueHunt or quiz. This creates a universal tag for every person who completed the quiz, making it easy to build a Mailchimp segment for all quiz takers. To connect your account to Mailchimp, open Quiz Settings, go to the Integrations tab, scroll down to Mailchimp, and click Connect. You'll be redirected to a Mailchimp authentication page. Log in and click Allow to grant access. Once authenticated, you'll be redirected back to Quiz Settings, where Mailchimp will now show a Connected badge. Connecting via OAuth links your entire RevenueHunt account, so all quizzes in that account will gain the option to send leads to Mailchimp. For each quiz you want to send data from, open that quiz's settings, find the Mailchimp section, and check the Send Quiz Leads to Mailchimp checkbox. Then save your changes. If you want to stop data from a specific quiz flowing to Mailchimp, simply uncheck that checkbox and save. You do not need to disconnect Mailchimp entirely. To add quiz takers to a specific Mailchimp audience, open the Quiz Builder and click on the Email question block. Under the Mailchimp Audience dropdown, select the audience you want and save your changes. If you have multiple quizzes and want each to feed a different audience, go into the email question block of each quiz individually and select the appropriate audience there. To test the connection, preview your quiz. Complete it with a test name and email, and submit through to the results page. Go to Mailchimp, open Audience, and search for your test email. It may take a moment to appear, so refresh if needed. You should see the new contact with any tags that were applied based on the answer choices they selected. If you tagged all answers in one question with RevenueHunt or quiz, you should see that general tag on the profile as well. Now that contacts are arriving with tags, you can build segments in Mailchimp based on those tags. Go to Audience, then Segments, and click Create Segment. Set the condition to Contact Tag. Select the tag you want to target and save the segment. You can create one segment for all quiz takers using your general RevenueHunt tag, and additional segments for specific answer combinations. To send follow-up emails to quiz takers, go to Automations in Mailchimp and create a new flow. Set the flow to trigger when a contact receives one of the tags applied through the quiz. Then, add an email step and design your message. Because full quiz answers and product recommendations do not sync to Mailchimp, email personalization will be based on the tags added to each customer's profile. You can use Mailchimp's dynamic content visibility settings to display different text depending on the tags assigned to each contact. Continue building your automation, then publish it once it is ready. If you only want to disconnect one quiz, simply uncheck the Send Quiz Leads to Mailchimp checkbox in that specific quiz's settings and save. To disconnect Mailchimp completely from your account, scroll to Mailchimp and click Disconnect. No more quiz data will flow to Mailchimp from any quiz in the account. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.